Hey digital mom, so today I'm going to be talking about interesting activities. So I went ahead and I cracked the code for threads and managed to get one of the posts blown up literally, and the post blew up so much that my threads account got actually blocked. Well, not blocked, but suspended, and yeah, like I wanted to let you know what happened and how you can use the strategy to blow up threads as well and get lots of leads. The strategy, the account is probably going to get unlocked tomorrow, but it's kind of crazy. And I documented the whole process for how you can literally take control of threads, and not only threads, just like any platform for that matter, using some of those hybrid skills that are not taught in college. And yeah, and just like get a lot of leads, guys. Literally, the way it works is you just respond to somebody's post, and then you start dropping the Fit Infusion content in the mix of the post. So in simple words, you dropping all sorts of content that summarizes your journey, your digital marketing endeavors, all sorts of things. And when you do that, you are maximizing learning effectiveness of people who are reading that post. And as you do that, you're just using different types of features like recording, voice recording, and all sorts of other features, native functionalities of threads. And yeah, and it just blows up. Basically, it took me about an hour and a half to get one of the posts. Like literally yesterday, I sat there and I literally just started pumping up the post, right? So basically, the way it works is somebody uploads. So let's say you're in Threads, right? You downloaded that app and you see somebody asking a question. You go ahead and you respond to that question, but in the process, as you're answering the question, you give an examples of how to get leads. Like the question was really like, how do you get leads? Right? So I went ahead and I responded it, and I infused my entire kind of collection of videos that I have already constructed into the post. So this way, anybody as they scroll through the thread, they get to see the responses, right? So the result was phenomenal. The result was just like literally the post is still growing. Last time I checked, there was 4,000 views, and it's a lot better than TikTok, guys. Because like with TikTok, you just have to struggle to get like you set up all those automations. One day they work, but then the trend changed, and the very same automations are no longer the same, no longer working because to the same level of effectiveness, simply because now platforms are pushing something else, like different kind of algorithm, different feature sets. Like for example, right now Instagram pushing stories versus any other posts, etc. So the question is, how do you battle with that? How do you go through those changes, and how do you make sure that you're always on top of the game? Well, one of the ways to do that is to join Feudal Incubator, where Feudal Army constantly cracks those codes and tells you exactly what you need to be doing. And you could get access to those codes through pills. As you pop those pills, the blue pills and red pills, you get to truly unlock that freedom. So what I did is I packaged the threads uh, tutorial into a pill for you guys. If you're interested, I do have a guide. It's a less than $20 guide, but it will show you how to really, like, literally just go ahead and blow up threads, and yeah, and you'll get like a lot of views, and then you could do whatever you want to do with those views, whether you want to funnel them to your own kind of stand store or anything else, or if you want to leverage my Fit Infusion system and have your very own kind of a stand store sort of, but with AI, chatbot, nurturing campaigns, automations, and all sorts of other bells and whistles. Then yeah, don't hesitate to DM Path on my Insta so this way you could get access to some of those pills of freedom. Plus, this pill as well, threads, the threads pill. I literally, what I do is I show you and break it down exactly how this whole process works, how you could actually modify the learning effectiveness of multiple people who are looking at the threads and create incredible impact. So instead of you like spending all this precious time creating insane amount of videos, right? Instead, you just like create just a few videos, and I'll show you how inside of a Feudal Incubator. I have a dedicated Feudal Incubator called Fit Infusion Content, where you learn how to create content and also get connected with brands. As part of that Feudal Incubator, you get to learn how to create this incredible content that will just turn heads and Then what you do is, after creating like a few pieces of content, what you do, you inject that content into threads, right? And you do this in using this hybrid strategy described in the blue pill. Once you pop the blue pill, you're going to be ready to pop the red pill. The red pill is going to be your instructions, your personalized instructions for you to go ahead and get you up and running and get those views going. You're going to be so excited after you pop the blue pill that you're going to start. You literally want to. You'll come back to me and say, "Rome, I need that red pill. I need that red pill. Tell me what to do." And you're already gonna, and I'm gonna tell you, okay, well, execute exactly what you see in blue pill, but in context of uh, your niche, in context of your skill sets, in context of your audience, ideal customer profile, who you're targeting, right? And you're gonna do it, and then you're gonna come back to me. You're gonna be like, "Oh my God, I just have so many views. I have so many like leads coming in. I don't know what to do with them." And then we're gonna have that next conversation where I'm gonna be funneling you to your very own Fit Infusion system, where you will get your very own AI chatbot nurturing campaign, where you get a mobile-friendly website, where you get your very own sub account and Fit Infusion system. It's like a SaaS um, product. It's like, and you get to use it. It's sort of like Stand Store, but better. It's on steroids and has all sorts of automations and makes it easy for you to keep track of your customers. Plus, you could also resell other kind of things that are bundled together within the Fit Infusion system. You could resell other people's products. And the cool part about it, like guys, this thread thing, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't do this before. Maybe because threads is so new and I just didn't really. I mean, I kind of explored threads before, but I didn't unlock hybrid skills later throughout my side hustling service delivery lifecycle. Only later did I unlock some of those latest skills that I'm sharing with you guys. But wow, I didn't expect that. Like now, I'm literally like contemplating, like, oh my God, I have so many leads coming in, and like I really need to go ahead and narrow down those funnels, make them pop, make them like literally show what I want people to see, right? So, and it's kind of funny, and I already created a workshop that is like 3 hour workshop that shows how to construct those funnels in case if you guys are interested. Because essentially, those funnels will be the key to your very own feudal kingdom. It's going to be your key to selling some of those products and programs. Now, here's the funny part about threads. When I started executing this strategy, the person was literally genuinely asking, "How do I get leads on threads?" And I said, "Okay, look, here's how." And I literally demonstrated how and grew that same post to 4,000 views. Basically, that same, person who asked that question, she was just like, "Oh my God, I want to be an eagle. I want to fly like an eagle. Please teach me." And I was getting flooded, guys, flooded with messages, like people saying, like, oh my God, like, how do you do this? This is like magical. And guys, if you want to be like, and if you want to be participating in this magical skill set, in this wizardry, to become like a wizard, right? Then join my community. I have a community. There's thousands of us, the side hustlers. It's a free community. You join it, you get to watch many of my guides for how to develop some of those hybrid skills, and many of the workshops as well. And yeah, and if you want to subscribe to me and get more secrets and more kind of some of those code cracking techniques that you could put in action right away, then you could more than welcome to subscribe on that app. It's called FUD All you got to do is DM PAF on my Insta, and yeah, and you'll get a link to that FUD app. You download it. It's mobile friendly. You get to see some of those workshops, some of those secrets. You get to apply them in action. And if you wanted to join Feudal Incubator after realizing that some of those workshops are fire, then you could go ahead and be like, damn, I want to join Feudal Incubator to pop some of those pills. Um, I do have another pill for Facebook as well, for how to do this, how to advertise across Facebook groups, how to promote yourself for free across Facebook groups, and get even more leads. You'll get that as a pill as well, guys. Anyway, if you guys are interested, DM the word PAF on my Insta, and I'd love to help you out, guys. And definitely take a look at that other workshop that I created. That is like literally 3 hours workshop of me building funnels and showing you how all this thing is done, and how all those hybrid skills coming together in context of funnels and AI and automations and all that other stuff. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get going. Take care. Bye.